Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Subaru WRX. First, always prioritize safety by finding a wide, open space, far from any other vehicles or people. Make sure your engine has reached its ideal operating temperature before attempting any high-performance maneuvers. Crucially, remember to disable both traction control and vehicle dynamics control systems. This ensures the car's electronics won't interfere with your precise inputs, giving you full command for an optimal launch. These initial steps are vital for a successful and safe experience. For a manual transmission, begin by fully depressing the clutch pedal and selecting first gear. Next, gently increase the engine revolutions per minute, aiming for a sweet spot between 4,000 and 5,000 RPM. This engine speed provides the necessary power for a strong start. As you rapidly release the clutch pedal, simultaneously apply full throttle. This coordinated action is key to minimizing wheel spin and maximizing forward momentum, ensuring a powerful and controlled launch from a standstill. If you have an automatic transmission, the process is slightly different but equally effective. Start by firmly holding the brake pedal down with your left foot. Then, with your right foot, apply the throttle to build up engine boost, typically aiming for around 2,000 RPM. Once you've reached the desired boost, quickly release the brake pedal while simultaneously keeping the throttle fully engaged. This technique allows the car to launch with maximum power, minimizing any lag, and delivering a swift acceleration. After a successful launch, the next step is to shift smoothly and quickly through the gears. This ensures you maintain optimal acceleration and keep the power delivery consistent. It's crucial to avoid excessive wheel spin, as this reduces traction and can lead to a loss of control. Remember, practice makes perfect, so find a safe, controlled environment to refine your launching technique. With patience and repetition, you'll master the art of launching your WRX for an exhilarating driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.